Okay. I made a little gun system with UPIF because why not? It's fun. Look, so you get a gun. You get a little Glock right here. Uh, you can do that. I don't know why, but you can. Then look. Oh, yo, that's so sick. Oh my god. How did I not know I could? Wait. Okay, so you can do that. You can blast yourself up into obsidian. Okay, wait. No, wait. Oh my god. Okay, well, I made a little gun system. Little fun gun system. Because I can. It's like a tiny handgun, I think. I'm not good with guns at all. But somehow I didn't know that. No, 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 no. Oh my god, that was gonna like start bouncing. But I didn't know you could do that. It's funny. So it looks like you can shoot yourself now. That's it's nice, I guess. But look, you can shoot the walls and like a little destruction happens. That's cool. Uh, I made a new scene. It's the best scene you've ever seen. I've told you. I'm gonna tell you this right now. Well, let me tell you why it's the best scene you've ever seen. Because up here, you get to see the scenery of this scene. It's so beautiful. No, it's not. Okay. Bye.